At Jalapeño Fence Co. We build with pride. Fences stand tall. They're your home's guide. With gates that swing wide and beauty so fine, we secure your lawn with craftsmanship divine. Veteran owned, we'll never back down. Quality's our own, wear it like a crown. Fences and gates, oh, the beauty we make. Jalapeño Fence Co. For your home's sake. With passion and heart, we'll serve you right. We install in your yard a radiant sight. In every neighborhood, bright colors we bring, enhancing your yard. Hear the joy that it sings. We measure each panel with care and with grace, transforming your space, a smile on your face. So let us sing close with style and flair. Jalapeño Fence Co. Beyond compare. Fences and gates, oh, the beauty we make. Jalapeño Fence Co. For your home's sake. With passion and hope, we'll serve you right. We install in your yard a radiant sight. Choose Jalapeño Fence, your lawn will shine for security and style.